My journey has been a journey of a complete transformation of a woman. I started all this when I was 38-year-old. Somebody who was never into sports, who was never inclined. It was not that the opportunity was not given. It was just my liking that I never liked sports. Handle my business, my personal front, my kid, my family, that's all. It was all of that. So for me, it has been a 180-degree change. When you want something, the universe conspires, and a small incident can actually turn everything upside down for you. I was with my son at one of the malls, and I had to tie his shoelace. I couldn't bend and tie his shoelace. I had to actually sit in a mall on the floor in the passage to tie his shoelace. And again, getting up it took me some pressure on my knees to get up. And I realized that, what am I doing with such kind of body? I was already at 86 kgs at that time. And it made me realize that I have to get fitter if I have to even play with my son. Even if I have to raise my child, I have to get fitter. And I went to Decathlon, got a bike for myself. And bingo, I started riding every day. So from 7 kilometers to 14 kilometers, I would ride on a daily basis. I started doing daily rides, and people started getting associated with me. I would put those rides on the WhatsApp group of Decathlon and other cycling groups, and they started getting associated with me, that take us along. And there was a small temporary WhatsApp group being formed every day. One of the days, one rider suggested, why don't we name this group as Happy Riders, since it gives a lot of happiness to us. I was like, I'm fine with it. As long as we are riding every day, it is fine. So there came Happy Riders. Then one of the riders later suggested that why don't we have our own jerseys? Now, to have a jersey, and why don't we register our club? To register our club, we needed a better name. And that's how Cycloon came into being. So here we had a name which we got registered, we had our jerseys, and there we have a big group of people who ride every day. And it's now a family. The biggest achievement so far in my cycling journey of 4 years has been super randoneering in 6 days on a mountain bike. So mountain bike is one of the heaviest bikes that you will come across. And super randoneering was 1500 kilometers in 6 continuous days. So no Indian woman has done this so far. This has been my biggest achievement so far. And it made me limitless. I discovered myself, I surprised myself that I could do that. And it changed me on a personal level. I have learned few lessons which I had taken it as a take on for my personal life as well. And I was awarded from India Book of Records for being the only woman who did 1500 kilometers in 6 days on a mountain.
Carry is a energy, I would say. Well, a positive vibe that not everyone carries. And it's usually hard to find it. That's all. Well, ठीक है. I'm good to have Gary in my life.
This was the first time, and this was the first place that I met you actually. And I remember I was riding from North Campus to Khan Market with a friend, and there were a group of people standing here. And then you guys invited us. We were also cyclists. Then we were like, these are professional people who will ride very fast. And then we joined you guys, and then I remember you added me to the group, Cycloon.
Yeah.
And then I started riding gradually. And then that sort of became my family, a cycling family. A family that I met every morning. And then there were these personal connections, those meetings,
Thank you, Bhaiya.
those breakfasts, and everything. and having chai at Khan Market, coffee at Mysore Cafe.
Cheers. And you coming from North Campus
Just to
every
here.
time.
And because then we used to ride to Manesar or NH8 or airport, and then I used to come here, and then we used to travel there.
And coming to North Campus for bun, maska and chai.
Yes.
Yes, so many rides. Cheers to that. Ganesh ki chai. I respect my failures more than my wins. For me, failures are very, very important. People think that one should not get failures in life. But I feel failures actually build you up. From a person who was brought up in such an overprotective environment to now who feels is a person who's limitless and fearless. For me, I feel nothing is impossible now. If you really want it, you will work for it. That's what my transformation has been. Not only inch-wise, but emotionally, mentally, physically.